Dear kids, welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video subtraction question. Definition of subtraction. Subtraction is the mathematical operation that subtracts one number from another to get the difference. It is represented by the minus sign. Now we have 3 apples, 1, 2 and 3. We write 3 digits of number. If one apple is left, we write -1. The remaining apples are 2. We write only 2. This is the correct answer. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Question number 2. We have 4 mangoes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We write 4 number. Now 2 mangoes are left. We write -2. The remaining mangoes we have only 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Question number 3. We have 6 oranges. Let's start the new question. Number 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have 6 oranges. We write digit 6. If 3 oranges left, we write -3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And also the remaining oranges we have are 3. The correct answer to this question is 3. Thank you for watching this video.